A Pakistani expert hails China's green development, saying China is learning from nature and implementing an eco-friendly approach that benefits both current and future generations.
Green is the new gold for China, and this is pretty much manifested in their green development program that they initiated, because they believe that humans and nature have to be in harmony with each other. China believes that ecological consideration and environmental protection should be the key, because gradually as people are now focusing more towards improving their living standards, they also want to have good environment around them.
Naeem also said that Pakistan should learn from the Green Development Initiative of China in order to mitigate its own climate change challenges.
I think there's a lot that Pakistan can learn from China in context of their new green development program and their different initiatives that they are taking. They're learning from nature, they are taking, and they're ensuring that not just the current generation but also the future generation enjoys the benefits of these initiatives. Learning from them in context of how their development is people-centric and environmental-centric. That is what Pakistan needs to learn as well here.
Naeem hopes to strengthen green development ties between the two countries.
China's green BRI and now the green CPEC, their whole vision is around greening their BRI initiative, and I think now both the governments are on the same page in context of developing renewable energy projects, in context of investing in eco-friendly initiatives. That's where they think that climate action should be strengthened, and for that Pakistan and China are very much on board.